Hello, my internet friends out there again. This is R750 coming to you again with another video on how to do things the easy way. Again, we do things the hard way. Everything in life we end up doing it the hard way. We don't want to do it the easy way. And we need to get away from doing the easy way, the hard way. We do things the easy way, not that everything's going to be easy, but we put forth our best effort to do things without a lot of obstacles that we put in front of ourselves, then we'll find accomplishing a task or goal much easier and much relaxing, much more rewarding. Let's talk about getting a job. Okay, and after you finish school or after you finish your training and you get that certificate or you get that diploma or you get that degree, you want to get a job. Okay. Think about first exactly what you want to do with that certificate or with that degree or with that training, that tech training. Think about exactly what you want to do, because more than likely there are going to be multiple types of jobs for every place you want to work at. Like nursing, there's several different types of nursing jobs. It's not just patient care. There's coordinating, there's paperwork, there's billing, there's collections. There's so many jobs out there, even within the nursing realm, that you have the opportunity to apply for and work at. Even in technology, there are several things you can do there. You can do hardware repair, you can do software analysis, you can do software development, you can do networking, you can do systems administration. So many things you can do. I recommend that you put a bead on exactly what you really want to do in that job. Focus on it. Okay? Let the training and your studies help you to get an idea exactly what it is that you want to do. And when you go in for that interview, talk about exactly that particular job that you want to do. Okay? Let the presenter or the interviewer know exactly how you're going to fit within his organization based on your training, based on your education, even based off your experience. Let them know exactly how you intend on fitting in his organization to be a productive worker. Okay? That's the thing, you must convince them that you and your experience and your knowledge will make you a plus person within your organization. And when you go on an interview, dress for it. Okay? Don't just go there with jeans on. Okay? People still like people who come into interviews dressed properly. Males, go in with a nice shirt, a pair of pants, put a tie on. I know that's not these days, culture is changing, but interviewers still want to see people dressed nicely. Okay, ladies, don't go in with tight skirts on. Okay, go on. I suggest go in with nice pantsuits. Okay, even if you're going to be a nurse. Okay, still, or you want to interview to work in a warehouse. Again, go dress appropriately, but let's leave the jeans at home. Okay. Now, when you're in that interview, being interviewed by that person, always project an image of confidence to him or her that you can do that job that you are interviewing for better than the previous people, even better than the folks that are currently doing it now. Don't put yourself too high or make yourself look too high, but let them know that you, with all your skills and understanding, you can do this job and you can do it very well. And give them a time limit. Tell them within the 6 months after getting this job, they will be impressed with your abilities and they will be happy they chose you, right, for this job. Now, at the end of the interview, always ask the presenter or the interviewer questions. How do you feel about me? Based on my experience, based on my understanding, how do you feel that I will fit in your, or if you think I will fit in your organization. Ask them questions. Ask them general questions. Don't just ask them the questions about pay. In fact, I recommend you don't ask questions about pay. More likely, he don't know anyway what the company decides to pay this person. Okay, they know nothing about the pay, so don't even ask about pay. You can ask questions like, what are the hours, what are the days, but stay away from the the finance portion of it. Okay. Again, this is R750. Continue viewing my videos. Continue. I'm going to be out there because I want us to have a good understanding of how to do things the easy way. See you soon. Bye.